We've all seen shows जहां लोग अपने अलग-अलग types के talents दिखाते हैं, but never the real talent of India. Our out-of-the-box thinking, and something all Indians share: our love for jugaad. On a Colors Infinity original, we set out to find the best minds in India. After going through thousands of inventors from across the country, we will, for the next 10 weeks, bring 4 inventors in every episode to Mumbai to present their ideas to our esteemed panel.
मेरी इनोवेशन है स्मार्ट की,
ऑटोमेटिक कुकिंग मशीन है,
The vegetable peeler.
the easy seater,
सेफ्टी बैंड, द रंगोली डिस्पेंसर।
उनमें से वो 2 को चुनेंगे लैब्स में भेजने के लिए, जहां वो अपने आइडियाज को लेकर जाएंगे प्रोडक्ट तक। हमारे एक्सपर्ट मेंटर्स की गाइडेंस के साथ। The finished products will then be judged by the everyday people on its usability. और जो best invention होगा, उसे मिलेंगे 10 lakh rupees. My name is Ahana Kumra, your host for this season. And this is the Inventor Challenge. It's a no-brainer that technology has made our lives so much more convenient. From maps in our watches to cameras in our doorbells, it's made our devices and us smarter. That's why the theme for today's episode is Smart Tech. Because today's inventors want to make our lives easier with tech. But before we get to the inventions, I'm sure you'd like to know who our panel is.
My name is Dhruv Madhok, and I'm the co-founder of Arata, an all-natural, plant-based personal care brand. In 3.5 years, we were able to take our idea from our kitchen to millions of homes across the country, and in the process have made a 100 crore company. I've been in the world of ideas longer than I haven't. Can your invention be that relevant?
My name is Malini Agarwal, but you might know me as Miss Malini. Miss Malini's content is consumed by over 40 million people a month from across the globe. I've built my empire on telling people's life stories, and I've learned that the only thing that travels faster than a good product is a product with a good story. And I'm here to see if your story is good enough.
Hi, I'm Sarovar Zaidi. I've been in the field of social anthropology, architecture and design for 10 years and worked with people across the country. मैंने पूरे देश में डिजाइन समझा और परखा है. I've been on countless juries, mentored students and run studios. I know how design can make or break a product. And I want to know, is your invention creative enough?
I'm Dhruv Bhasin, co-founder at Arata. With over 50 all-natural products ranging from hair gels to anything you would need for your body, I'm constantly on the lookout for how to make people's lives better. I know how long the road to inventing a successful product is. Do you have the same drive?
मुझे इनोवेशन पहले से ही बहुत अच्छी लगती थी।
गौरी एक ब्रांड है हमारे कॉलेज में।
मुझे सोना बहुत अच्छा लगता है।
Wow.
मेरे इस स्मार्ट आईडी कार्ड से बच्चों में अनुशासन की भावना को मजबूत किया जा सकेगा। धन्यवाद।
Very nice.
Very good.
मैं सबको डरा दिया आज।
I like the puns. Are you Punjabi by any
I am a
chance?
Punjabi,
I got it.
but I'm a Punjabi also.
That's true.
Can you make him cooler with that?
Oh. The first person out of the 4 of you who's going to the lab stage is
whoever is going to own this piece of device. It is like a magic solution.
It's not a straightforward machining job. Making the first one is always super tricky.
We have carefully curated a group of everyday people who will test these prototypes. The fate of these 2 inventors really lies in your hands, so choose carefully. This is the first winner of the first episode of the first season of the Inventor Challenge.
Wow.
So,
I'd like to make an announcement. And the winner is